I'm going to prove this wrong using space math.
Here is how Earth orbits the sun.
The sun is at the center of the solar system.
No, it technically isn't. If this is how you imagine the solar system, you're wrong. This is the formula to calculate the center of mass for n bodies. That means the vector from an origin point to the center is the mass of Mercury multiplied by the vector of this origin to Mercury, plus the mass of Venus multiplied by the vector, and so on for all the bodies in our solar system divided by the total mass of bodies. Instead of a random point, let's set the sun at the origin, meaning the distance to the sun is 0. We can get the mass of all the planets from NASA. Mercury is 0.33, Earth is 5.97, and Jupiter is 1,898 times 10 to the 24 kilograms, and so on. The sun is almost 2 million times 10 to the 24 kilograms, which is 99.86% of the total mass of all the bodies. To get the exact coordinates for each planet, I use the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory Horizon System. For example, for Jupiter, we set the target body, and then for the coordinate center, we use @sun, we set the exact date, and then we request XYZ coordinates in AU or astronomical units. AU is the average Earth-Sun distance, or about 150 million kilometers. Once we generate ephemeris, we can see with the sun at the coordinate center, Jupiter is at negative 0.78 plus 4.68. Since I don't want to click for every planet, I coded this so I can get all the data from Python. Here's the table for all the coordinates. We multiply the mass of each planet with the x, y, and z. Then we sum all these multiplications and divide by the total mass of all the bodies, including the sun. By doing some more simple math, we get the XYZ coordinates for the center of our solar system. It's not 0, 0, 0 where the sun is. The distance to the sun will be the square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared, or 0.007 AU. That's about 1 million kilometers when the sun's radius is about 700,000 kilometers. So, the sun isn't the center of our solar system. The sun is also going around the center like this. And if you still don't believe me, the source for this last animation is NASA.